Ashton, we're almost done. We're almost done.
Alright, is that looking? I don't want to cut too much off the front. But I can cut more.
Hey, it's okay, sucker.
You want me to cut more off the front? You want me to cut more off the front? You want me to cut more off the front?
I know you get mad, aren't you?
Stay still, buddy. Stay still.
Ashton. Got hair on her hair.
Maybe that's a little agitating him.
Can you look down for me really quick?
Hey, look here, look here, look here,
Can you look down for me?
look here. Look at this. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Say,
look down?
come here.
Ashton, look.
Come here. I got your feet. I got your feet. Oh, where's your feet at? Who's got your toes? Who's got your toes? Toes.
Be real still for me, okay?
Oh.
Almost done. Give it a sucker.
You still need to look him down, or he's okay?
Stay still.
Stay still. You don't want to get nicked. Look here. Hey, hey, hey. What's wrong? What's wrong? Talk to me.
Can you look down?
You want to see her? He hears you talking to him. He's like, what?
He's like, what's going on?
Who's playing with your toes? Mama's going to come back. Mama's going to come back. Look here.
Can you look down for me?
Ashton. Ashton. Let's rotate you a little bit so you can see Mama. Sucker?
So be still.
Ah, you're going to pay him before the job is done, huh? He's trying to get those hands out now.
Sucker! Yay!
There's your hand.
Can you look down for me?
Come here, Ashton. Ashton. I see that. Look here. Show it to me. Come here, buddy. Look at me. Wave to me. Wow, he's quiet. That's about as good as we'll get.
That's good.
Sucker is good.
I love suckers.
They are the best.
Yum, yum. Can you look down for me?
Get him to look down. Get Ashton to look down.
I can't understand.
Get Ashton to look down.
Bend down. Bend your head down. Yeah.
All right.
Good job.
Good boy.
Keep doing it. Keep doing it.
Keep your head down.
Head banging.
Yeah, you have your sucker while you're bending down.
Looking good. Is that looking good on the back?
Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's better. Wash my hair last night. It still looks slowly.
Do you want it shorter over his ears, or what do you want to do?
I like that.
You like it, huh?
That's cold. Making sure you get a great deal. Now that's Progressive. Call or click today. From my mom. For every big bucket of grilled or original recipe, KFC makes a 50-cent contribution to Citizens Homemade Cure. Together we could make the largest donation in homemade history.
You're gonna have one hair colored sucker. We gotta sit still, buddy.
Careful.
It's okay.